Hello, and welcome to Urban Global University. At Urban Global University, the Master of Business Administration is designed for professionals who want real business skills, global exposure, and flexible learning. This program uses a podcast-based learning model where concepts are explained through academic discussions instead of long, boring lectures. Learning feels natural, practical, and easy to understand. You'll study leadership, strategy, marketing, finance, and operations through recorded sessions, live expert classes, AI-assisted learning support, and structured digital study materials. The program is 100% online and self-paced, allowing you to learn from anywhere, at your own speed. Urban Global University is accredited by the International Accreditation Organization and is a member of the European Association for Higher Education Advancement, along with other global recognitions. The outcome? Stronger leadership skills, better career opportunities, higher professional confidence, and the ability to start or grow your own business. If you're ready to move forward in your career with a modern global MBA learning experience, this is where it begins.